Now, to other news now, a near 50% delinquency rate among student loan borrowers is raising questions about whether Jamaica's education financing system is becoming too difficult for graduates to sustain.
The issue came under scrutiny at Thursday's meeting of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee. Sandy Williams reports.
The Students' Loan Bureau said as of March 2026, almost half of its borrowers were behind on repayments. Executive Director of the Student Loan Bureau, Nikisha Walsh, told the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, that the institution's delinquency rate currently stands at 48.22%. But lawmakers questioned whether the cost of borrowing itself may be contributing to the problem.
If you have, as Chair said, a prohibitive structure where it is difficult for persons who want to pay and be up to date with their loans, you're going to collect a lot from those who can afford to, but then you're going to push many reluctantly into the delinquency pool.
Ms. Walsh says borrowers have cited several reasons for falling behind, including unstable income from self-employment, competing financial obligations, and underemployment after graduation. She says the Bureau is hoping technology and a more hands-on approach will help reverse the trend.
We have rectified that since by launching the online portal. So for students, especially for those who migrate, they have the ability now to access their portal wherever they are and make payments on their account. So I'm saying in 26-27, we're hoping to see a decline in the delinquency rate.
But some committee members believe the issue goes beyond payment convenience. PAAC member Michael Phillips argued that many students, particularly those from rural Jamaica, need more support before they even reach the repayment stage. Mr. Phillips also questioned whether the interest rate structure is realistic for graduates struggling to establish themselves.
The interest rate is basically like commercial. You can buy a car for a lesser interest rate.
Ms. Walsh acknowledged the concerns, saying the Bureau is already adjusting its approach and reviewing its policies.
We understand the economic challenges, and we understand that there are persons who may be caught in that cycle, and we don't want to take that approach anymore. So we are looking at going in terms of in the communities. We're having community fairs now. We are now going to partner with other external entities to get into the communities and the spaces for persons to understand the benefit of SLB.
There are questions too about